Governor Westmore, it's the 2024 session. I'm looking for exoneration. I'm looking for exoneration. I'm an activist, all right? And my activism is documented. That's my Freedom Fighter Award from Malcolm X. That's Vital Magazine, all right? That's my Crown Award, all right? That's my Community Verizon Award. That's my Entrepreneur of the Year Award, all right? And that's my Weaver Award for weaving in Baltimore. That's my weavers, the state of Maryland, all right? I'm a weaver. So Governor Westmore, we need to take a journey, all right? We're going to talk about mass incarceration in your prison industry, all right? We're going to talk about mass incarceration in your prison industry. Like I said, I'm a weaver. That's M&T Bank. In 2011, y'all made me famous for toilets. I'm going to run with that shit. See that? That's 2012. Statute of limitations didn't run out. I was writing you this letter. All right? You got that? U.S. And it dealt with Governor O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Senator Hardin, Mikulski, Richard McFeely, the FBI, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Eric Holder, Department of Justice. And these are subpoenas. All right? These are the supporters of Shorties. Just because you see me by myself don't mean I'm by myself. You feel me? The supporters of Shorties. Thank you. Congratulations, Shorties. You feel me? I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. M&T Bank. Feel me? And y'all made me famous for toilets, so I'm going to run with that shit. That's my past. Social media for social change. Those are my toilets. That's parole and probation. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. Y'all charged me with a bomb threat. I'm not a terrorist. I'm an activist. See that? Candidacy form 2022. We talking about voter suppression by the Democratic and the Republican Party. That's Mary Wells from the Supremes. Like I said, yay, Shorty. These are people that support me. And that's my mother and my father. That's Vicki Lawrence from Mama's Place. You feel me? And these is toilets. Like I said, you made me famous for that. Change my product. I ain't gonna change my hustle. Feel me? A forum cites multiple panels, factors for influence kids to join gangs. You feel me? I'm standing up for my community. Citywide. Worldwide. And everybody knows Shorty. So Governor Westmore, we're going to talk about this. I'm an activist. Potty training politicians. I'm a member of Out for Justice, and it ain't going to be just us. In 2024, you're not going to be locking up our kids. You're not going to be locking up the black community. Y'all can elect Trump if you want to. He still got to testify. Presidential pardon don't exist. Like I said, we talking about voter suppression. That's Jared Gimenez. That's Jared Gimenez. That's Chief Justice Roberts, Clarence Thomas. This is the Supreme Court. And we talk about Public Accommodations Act. All right? We talk about Public Accommodations Act. That's Eric Barron. And y'all know who he is. That's Ivan Bates, and Ivan Bates got all this. I told you to take your campaign signs down. I'm using them. To whom it may concern. All right? That tells you I was making a movie. Department of Justice, Robert Harding. Bomb threat. Judicial misconduct. Got a story called Shorty. And my number ain't changed. See her? See him? See the mail? Yeah. Right there. Whistleblower. Corruption in Maryland's courts. I was kidnapped by Scott Shellenberger for making a movie exposing Maryland's prison industry. You feel me? And it's all documented. That's Natasha. That's Natasha. That's the movie. That's ABC 2. I gave this to you. See that? That's 2010. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Well, we got Dred Scott. And I got it in a book. That's Ron Matson, Shorty. That's my art and activism, my art exhibits. Yeah, that's Sheila Dixon and Shorty. That's Brooke Learman and Shorty. Bill Ferguson, Corey McCrae. Like I said, it's a graduating class. like Kanye West said. And that's President Biden. You feel me? That's Jeff Majors. And that's Kwesi and Fume and Shorty. And President Obama. That's Get Shorty. Ain't no law against making a movie. Yeah. Dred Scott. You repeal Roe versus Wade? Well, we're going to put Dred Scott to the test. We tore down the statues. Now we're going to tear down the institutions. Like I said, Entrepreneur of the Year award. I'm an activist in Baltimore. You feel me? And my activism is documented. That's my mother and my father. And that's 2007. This is the Jailhouse Diary. You feel me? And it's right here. FBI on Roosevelt Road. Feel me? And Mosby got that. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. I was making a movie about race and racism. And I'm weaving in Baltimore. Honor my mother and my father. So I put it in a book. I'm weaving. You feel me? I'm weaving. Now we're going to bring things to the light of day. You feel me? We're going to bring things to the light of day. Like I said, that's my Freedom Fighter Award. I applied for Martin Luther King's job. Right here, that's my nephew, Giovanni. Ask him about me. Department of Justice Civil Rights Lawsuit. See who got that? County Executive Johnny Oleski. Chief Hyatt. These are the supporters of Shorties. You feel me? These are the supporters of Shorties. Just because you see me by myself don't mean I'm by myself. This is the toilet that Rebecca Hertzberger from the Visionary Arts Museum had. Showed it Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. I'm a whistleblower. Alright? On the courts. And that's Fox 45, Kai Jackson, Mary Bugala. That's Ray Lewis and Shorty. For more information, that's my contact information. Town Hall Community in Crisis. Our community in crisis is by design. That's Congressman Cummings and President Trump. See who that is? Larry Hogan. See the mail receipts? See the criminal charges? They never charged him. They never charged him. So we're going to take a walk up the stairs. Everybody know me. I'm the cook. Y'all ain't passed the George Floyd bill, but you giving a lot of money to Israel. I stand with Palestine because you killing us like you killing them. America's prison industry is the black community. An open air market to incarcerate and kill. And nobody saying nothing. I use the toilet because the toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. It's the 13th Amendment. So I got 13 steps to climb. That's the Baltimore Arts District. You feel me? And those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Like I said, I'm the cook. See who that is? That's the Board of Elections. That's Van Hollen's office. That's Robin Hood. Before he got to be governor, that's Governor Hogan's office. That's Michael Hurd. He worked with John Hopkins now. That's Mark Conway. You feel me? That's the Baltimore Black Arts District. Because like I said, I'm making a movie. And the toilet is a prop for a movie. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. These are my customers. I'm certified. I own Shorties. I own all parts of me. And we putting you to the courts. Racism 101. Racism 101. That's the Baltimore Sun. Y'all just got bought by Sinclair Broadcasting, and Sinclair Broadcasting participated in this. See that? Get Shorty. See the date? 2006. That's the Sun. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. We're going to talk about those criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. The money you're making off of black bodies. The reason you sitting in that seat. That's the Minority Report. See the toilets? How toilets, the evolution of toilets. From out of houses to in your house to in your face. I'm a whistleblower. A whistleblower on the courts, the Board of Elections. You feel me? And that's what we're going to do. That's Governor Westmore. That's Shorty, pull your mask up. That's Steny Hoyer. And that's Governor Westmore and President Obama asking for an investigation in 2008. All right? Ex-felons got a right to vote. That's why I'm putting it in a movie form. That's Kwesi and Fume and Shorty. All right? And we talk about your prison industry. Here goes the cases. That's Illinois, Maryland, federal violations. Like I said, I'm the lab rat. Ex-felons got a right to vote in 2024. We're going to file a class action lawsuit about denying us our rights. You feel me? Denying us our rights. Kwesi asked for a House Judiciary Committee. We're going to see what Senator Hardin does. Senator Obama asked for an investigation in 2008. You ain't did it yet. Steny Hoyer got it too. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Shorty, pull your mask up? No. We're going to unmask Baltimore. Shorty, pull your mask up. Whistleblower. $260,000 in intellectual property theft. Do not destroy or alter this material. It's coming to Annapolis. Pick it up. Political prisoner, N62528. The Minority Report. I said we're going to climb the stairs. The Baltimore Sun got this. So does Governor Westmore. All right? You got that? Judges, lawyers, and politicians. My visits to Annapolis. I own Shorties. Making a movie ain't against the law. You the star of the show. You ready for this? Baltimore, Rewired. The money behind the machine.